probably the simplest do-it-yourself project I've ever had. So I'm really excited about that. So this is going to be an Asian seasoning salt. As a health coach, I'm going to tell you that this is probably the better product for you to use because it's going to help with your nutrient levels. So I never want people to use like that white iodized table salt, which is also typically filled with chemicals because of how it's processed and how it's stored. A lot of like diesel fumes and things like that. So we don't want that. And now, so 1, 2 ginger, 1, 2 lemongrass, 1, 2 basil, and I forgot to get a spoon. Let's get a spoon, and then you're just going to mix it up. Now this is a really great salt jar, and I'm just going to put just a little bit in here for demonstration purposes. So you have your upcycled jar, and you can add, excuse me, more or less of the essential oils, but I think as it sits over time, the taste is going to get a little stronger. So I'm just going to pull a little bit out here so I can taste it. That's really good. It's different. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's different. I like it.